Hey there, I'm HVAC repair guy. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before transitioning into 17 years of working on residential heating equipment. Over that time, I've installed, serviced, and repaired many boilers. Today, we're comparing the Bryant BW4 and the Trio. On paper, both heat your home, but once you look past the sales brochures, there are key differences you should know about before making a decision. Most homeowners think efficiency is the main feature to focus on when buying a replacement. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll actually spend owning that equipment over the next 15 to 20 years. The biggest distinction between these two boilers comes down to the warranty coverage. The Bryant BW4 features a 5-year electrical parts warranty, while the Trio offers a standard 1-year warranty on its electrical components. So what? If an electronic control fails in year 3, Bryant covers the component costs, while Trio leaves you paying out of pocket for that replacement. On the heat exchanger side, the Trio steps up with lifetime warranty coverage, compared to Bryant's 20-year term. Looking closely at efficiency, both units perform almost identically. The Trio is rated at 87% AFU, and the Bryant BW4 sits right behind at 86.2% AFU. AFU measures how effectively your boiler converts fuel into heat for your home rather than letting it escape up the chimney. In real-world operation, a 0.8% difference won't make a noticeable dent in your annual oil bills. Both boilers are standard non-condensing cast iron units, so neither uses complex modulating controls or wall-hung configurations. That keeping it simple design works to your advantage because standard cast iron blocks are extremely reliable and straightforward to maintain over time. Here's something the sales brochure won't mention. The person installing your boiler matters far more than the brand name stamped on the cabinet. A top-tier boiler installed poorly will cause endless headaches, while a simple, mid-range unit installed correctly by an experienced technician will run smoothly for decades. Keep in mind that oil equipment requires non-negotiable annual maintenance. Regular burner cleanings, nozzle replacements, and combustion checks protect your efficiency and keep these units operating safely. When we check current equipment pricing, the Bryant BW4 retails for about $2,365. Equipment pricing for the Trio with its matching oil burner package typically runs around $3,100 to $3,400. That means the Trio commands a noticeable upfront premium. Given that both boilers deliver almost identical efficiency, paying hundreds more for the Trio is a tough pill to swallow unless you place a high priority on that lifetime heat exchanger warranty. The Trio is a solid pick for homeowners who want maximum long-term peace of mind on the main cast iron casting and don't mind paying extra up front. But if it were my house, I'd go with the Bryant BW4. The lower initial purchase price combined with 5 years of coverage on electrical parts gives you better overall value and protection against early repair bills.